Guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I did not get that truck, and I said that I will get it, and we got the tow truck, as you can tell, and we're going to get it now. Okay guys, I'm going to cut when I'm close. Okay guys, we're right by it. It's right up here. I am going to actually not take the one at my farm because all the hills and my truck's super low. So we're going to have to take the other way, I think. But when I was scrolling through it, they said that this road right up here is like the long way or something. Because they said the first road that you see is the long way. He's bombing it through here. Oop. No tree. This ain't the barn, I don't think. Wait. I don't know if there's a barn there. We just zoom in through here. Oh, don't roll. Don't flip it. Oh, yep, here's the place. Oh, I forgot I left my 350 here. Okay, I'll see you when I get turned around. Okay, guys, we got this truck started. I don't know if it drives or not because I never drove it, so. Hold on. Oh, that's cute. No, that ain't. That is. And now where we gotta turn. Okay. I'll see you guys when I get pulled out. Okay, guys, I took the wrong... Come on, camera, focus. Alrighty, guys. I took the wrong route. I took the wrong route, and it brought me out at this place. So we're going to take this road and see what it leads to. Oh, nope. Oh, I know where this is now. Oh, I know where this road is. This is the road plate. No, this ain't that road. I was telling myself I should have brought a trailer so I can pull my F-350 back. Okay, I'll see you when I get back to my shop. Okay, guys, we got it unloaded. We are going to customize it. See you when we get it customized. Okay, guys, we got her all customized. How you like it? This is going to be the end of this video. Bye, guys. This will be the end. See you in the next video. We're going to be making a house and stuff. Yes, I only have 187 grand. We'll try to figure that out. But, peace.